Question 8 is about the interpretation of data. We have two factors, genome size and types of organism. First of all, we have to interpret it. It seems that they have a trend here when the thing becomes as complex, and then the genome size increases. But we saw another opposite relationship. For mammal to plants, of course, the complexity drops, but the genome size increases. So this is contradictory, right? So we can say that the complexity of organism in the genome size has no positive correlation. Become complex, genome size can increase or decrease. So the answer is D. The genome size does not always indicate the complexity of the organism. Thank you.